Hey guys, Sunday, April 14th, day two of the Israeli war that killed nobody, and Bitcoin's at 64,000. And this episode, I just want to focus on why are people such bad investors, and I think I'm going to include myself in that because I absolutely should be a billionaire right now, given the kind of exposure I had to certain startups, given the chances I had of seeing certain things. I'm not a billionaire, but I'm doing very well. But I would say, in terms of my investing philosophy, it hasn't been perfect, and I think most people it's been pretty bad, and especially this younger generation. I think that they have this sort of TikTok kind of ADD that's really bad for investing. So why do I think people are such bad investors? I think it really all boils down to having a long-term perspective. Now, you can say this and you're saying I'm buying Bitcoin for the long term, but then if you are, you really shouldn't be concerned if it goes down 10% or 12% or even 20 or 30%. Doesn't matter. This is an asset that has gone up, just in the last 6 months, has gone up 120%. Even right now today, it's more than double in the last 6 months. So, and it's an asset that's going up 40% per year. So the long term is this asset. It's a fantastic asset. And if you think in terms of, I need to make a little money, take this thing off the table, make a little bit more money, take it off the table, etc., you're thinking fundamentally short term. And I just don't think in this world this is a good way to achieve long-term wealth. I think you will find that all you achieve is tax gains in the years that you work, that you're successful, and losses that you're going to have to carry forward on years. And net, I don't think you're going to do that well. I think the math really is against you. So, I think the hard thing is to do nothing. That's the hard thing. And you have to find, the algorithm in general is pretty simple. Find things that you believe are going to go up over the 5 to 10 year time horizon. Buy them, hold on to them for dear life, and ideally find a couple of them so you're not completely all in one basket, right? So that's the best thing. So find, whether it's real estate, whether it's a income producing company or a startup that's very promising, right? Doesn't have to be income producing. Or it can be gold, right? All these things are, or a very, very cheap stock that you take a position in that you think is going to do great. It doesn't have to be, stocks can be great. These are the things you need to, those are the instruments you have, but you need to be very patient and you need to be long-term focused. So, you don't see Michael Saylor selling his Bitcoin. You don't see Warren Buffett dumping his stocks on a day like yesterday. You see them buying, potentially, a little bit. But basically, they're not changing their game plan because of the news events. And that, I think, is the key to achieving long-term wealth.